Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to another video. And guess what? Oh, whoops. Oh, that's great. Anyways, guess what? Today is update day, the first update of 2019. And as soon as I saw it pop up, just my Jama thing, whatever, just logged in, popped up. I closed it out. I didn't even look at anything, so I don't know what's happening. So I bet it's gonna be good because it's first update in 2019. I heard 2019 there will be some good updates. So let's go see the update. Woo! Alright, so the Fearsome Falcons you can actually buy now. So the membership bundle kind of got bad. But I have 33 diamonds. So shall we buy it? Should we buy it? Yeah, let's buy it. Let's buy it. Oh, there it is. I actually don't even have a falcon, so this will be nice. What shall we name it? Let's name it Count the Scout. Perfect. Bye, sure. Goodbye, 30 diamonds, and hello, Falcon. Ooh. So, of course, I'll be doing that pattern glitch when you turn the pattern magenta, and it looks really cool. Let's see what the patterns are. So there's black and white and green, purple, pink, and this really light pink, red, black, and dark red, blue, white, and orange, and pink, blue, and purple. Some nice natural colors. Ooh, wow. And then, ooh. So, I'll be making a look with that later. Let's continue on with the update. Woo. Okay. So, the Fearsome Falcons are here. You can read that if you want. And let's go to the next one. The Winter Small House. Ooh, Winter Small House. Are you kidding me? Yes. No, you can read that. I'm buying the Winter House, okay? So far, this update has been pretty amazing. So now, I can make a new non-member den. Wow. So we got a new animal and a new den. So far we had the Autumn Small House, and now we have the Winter Small House. So let's see the difference. This one has snow and like ice, and there's mountains. Oh my god, that makes it so much better. Oh my god. And then the normal small house. And then the Autumn Small House. I have a full collection of small houses. So I'm just gonna buy this new small house then. Buy it. And I'm gonna switch to it right now. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Cool. Whoa. Yeah. The background is so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna record. I'm just gonna stay in here for the rest of the video because this is actually so cool. I want to make it done with it so badly, but I can't do it right now because this video would be way too long. Okay, okay, whatever. It's amazing. Alright, so we have those two so far, and yeah, these refer a friend rewards. They're still here. Invite a friend, get the level 4 stuff. That's cool. That, and then Arctic armor. Nice. Those are back. Oh my god, these things. The membership bundle literally just came in stores. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Theory. Membership bundle just came in stores. Every single one of these membership bundles are in store. Eagle. Falcon. In store. The den items, they're in store, and the clothing items were already from a long time ago. Like, I don't know, but a long time ago, those things were already here. Oops, I opened this. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is sad, but oh, I see Animal Jam Play Wild. Wow. This is a reminder that Animal Jam Play Wild is here. So showing off all their good stuff because it's all on Animal Jam Play Wild. Nothing here. Okay. Well, that's fine then. Next. Whoa, what is Super Blood Wolf Moon? What the heck? Every year, January's full moon is called the Wolf Moon, and the upcoming full moon in between January 20th and 21st is extra special. Not only is it a supermoon where the moon appears larger in the sky, but it will also be a total lunar eclipse for what? The lunar eclipse coming back to Animal Jam? Yo, yes, I mean that. Okay, that is so cool. Oh my god, yes, this is such a cool item. Then I'm gonna get that other wolf cake thingy. That like the I don't even know what it's called. Let's see what it's called. Wait for it to load. Okay, so it's called the Wolf Newt Full Moon Cake. So I'm gonna add that to my wolf den. That's amazing. Wow, it's so big. Lovely. I'll just dance on that. That's pretty cool. Coming soon, Friendship Festival, blah blah blah. The Friendship Festival, Jamal's fun celebration of buddies, friends, chums, and pals, is just a few weeks away. Great. Heatwave party, what? Yeah, I need a nice warm climate, blah blah blah. Jamal is filled with amazing jammers who make amazing dance, and sometimes they make it to the epic dance list. Blah blah blah. Castle icon. Do. New hidden item. Let's go to the Snow Fort Den. Let's see what the new item is here. Oh wow. Oh boy. So, see, do you see anything suspicious? Does this seem? Oh wow, I found it. Found a brick chimney. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I can add that to my den. It's gonna look so cool. Put it in my den because I'm going to make it the best den. Oh yes, that is good. Hold on, where should I put this? Let's put it right there. Or so, I don't know. Right there. Okay. Perfect. Is it perfect? I think it's perfect. Yes. As I said, I'll be decorating this den later because it's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop. And yep. So retail gift card bonus. Fearsome Falcon, and that's it for this video. But since I have some time left, maybe I think I should decorate this. So and my outfit too. I'll make a nice outfit. So I'll be right back. Well guys, I'm back, and I kind of went a little bit overboard. As you can see, I glitched my falcon eagle thingy, and I made a cool outfit with it, but then I also made this giant, like, this den. I made it nice and pretty. Wow. And this den is basically a nice fortress for these little evil dudes. It's the nice, well, actually it's just a pet fortress for all the pets. All the pets are welcome. And then there's little stuff over here. I didn't put much down here, I just put this North Pole sign. It goes over here. Then we can get my little penguin to pop out. Whoop. And these penguins are like the fancy penguins, and like, oh my goodness. And then if you can see, if you look closely into this bear's face, you can see this jaw right here, so that's nice and scary. It's weird. Okay. Well, yeah, I just made the den, and I created an outfit. Nice, lovely outfit. And I think that's the end of the update. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.